Here's to the many years ahead in your Subaru. Part of your ownership responsibility, as described in your warranty and maintenance booklet, is to maintain your Subaru according to the manufacturer's recommended service schedule. With a Subaru Added Security Maintenance Plan, it's easy to stay on track. Coverage includes everything recommended in your booklet, including genuine Subaru filters, fluids, parts, inspections, and tire rotations. You'll lock in the cost of scheduled maintenance at today's price and avoid potential increases in the future. And you'll also enjoy some extra perks like service and inspections performed by Subaru-trained technicians, the use of genuine Subaru parts, and a $500 coupon towards your next Subaru. Maintenance plans are available for new Subaru vehicles in increments of up to 3 years or 45,000 miles. For used Subaru vehicles, our Anytime plan is available in increments of up to 2 years or 24,000 miles, and also includes a roadside assistance package. Leasing your vehicle? Roll the cost into your monthly payment, and your only auto expense may be at the pump. At Subaru, you're part of our family, and our extended coverage plans are designed to keep you safe, on the road, and driving worry-free. Ask your retailer about added security maintenance plans from Subaru.